In this visit to the shed, we'll be installing the OneUp EDC Tool into the steer tube of your fork. This is a relatively simple task, but requires very specialist tools available from the OneUp website. Make sure you visit there to get the tools, but also to check the compatibility of your fork, as it's only going to fit in tapered steerer forks with certain internal diameters. Assuming that it's all going to work, then onto the job itself. The first step is to remove the stem in your cockpit. Simply loosen the bolts, remove the stem and any spacers you have there. Once done, check fork's compatibility with the Go No-Go tool before turning it around and using it to remove the Starnut from the steer tube. Some Starnuts may require a little bit more persuasion than others. With the Starnut removed, we're on to the main task, cutting the threads on the steerer itself. We do this by threading a 10mm Allen through the special die and using the cutting guide to make sure we get an accurate cut. Lubricate the die with a light oil, turning a half turn with a quarter back turn to get a nice clean cut. After that, reinstall any spacers and your stem and cockpit, and then install the EDC top cap using a cassette lock ring tool. Preload your headset in the exact same way that you would as if this was a conventional top cap, and then tighten up your stem bolts. After that, flip the bike over and fit the steerer plug at the bottom to stop water and muck getting in, and fit the tool. Job done. In reality, this shouldn't take more than 10 minutes, but just make sure that you're familiar with the process and have the correct tools before you begin. Just be prepared to answer an awful lot of questions of where did you get that and can I borrow the tools now you're done. Thanks for watching.